Greetings, Earthlings. I'm back with a review of an elite transceiver and podcasting microphone. So today we're looking at this guy, the Heil PR781G or 781. If you are interested in this microphone, it'll set you back around $185. Like always, I'll throw some links down below. And like always, we're connecting the mic direct to the 2i2 2nd gen with the input gain set at around 130. Not going to do any post-processing like compression, EQ, or noise removal, but I will likely boost it in post. So if you want to see what I diddly-dee, check the doobly-doo. Let's talk about what comes in the box. You will obviously be getting the microphone. It comes with the mount previously installed, and it does have a 5/8 to 3/8 inch microphone stand adapter, and then you'll get some documentation as well as a dang sticker. Now, as far as the build quality, this thing just feels excellent because Heil knows how to make very sturdy feeling microphones. As you can tell, it doesn't have much on it. It is just an all metal construction with a metal grill, and it also makes sure that you know that this is an end fire microphone, meaning you speak into the top of it and not the side of it. And lastly, on the bottom, it does have an XLR port. Now, as far as the specs, this thing has a cardioid polar pattern, a frequency response of 50 Hz to 16 kHz, but there's no frequency response graph, a sensitivity of around -55 decibels, and an output impedance of 600 ohms. Right now, I'm speaking into the front of the 781, moving around to 90 degrees to show you the off-axis coloration. We will go ahead and continue around to 180 degrees to show you how it sounds from the rear and how much it rejects from the rear. We'll continue back around to 90 degrees, and then we will end back up at 0 degrees or right in front. Now I'm typing on a keyboard with Cherry MX Blues to show you how much of my voice versus how much of the keyboard it picks up. Okay, right now I'm right on top of the microphone to demonstrate the proximity effect of this thing. About 3 inches away from the microphone with the Stedman ProScreen 101. About 1 foot away from the microphone. 2 feet away from the microphone. And about 4 feet away from the microphone. I choose to watch the Cable Guy if I had to choose between all Jim Carrey films. So I bought this microphone about a year ago, hoping that it would be a diamond in the rough for podcasting, but unfortunately, I just don't think it cuts it for that. In terms of pros, it does have an amazing build quality and looks really great, and then it also has lots and lots and lots and lots and lots and lots and lots of clarity to it. But then in terms of cons, speaking of clarity, to my ears, it sounds like there's a ridiculously large treble boost, and it's lacking a bit in the lower frequencies, so it seems to be very shrill and harsh to listen to. So my overall thoughts here are that this microphone just doesn't work for most applications, but to be fair, it wasn't designed to. To elaborate a little bit more, I just don't think it worked that well on the electric guitar, the acoustic guitar, singing, or HD voice. And the reason I said HD voice is I think the tone of this microphone was specifically designed to work really well with ham radios because Bob Heil is very passionate about that and does a lot of work on it. And on the box, it even says it's for elite transceivers, which I believe is a ham radio term. So when it comes to recommending this microphone for podcasting, music, or voiceover work, I just don't think I can because of the tone of it. But then when it comes to ham radio, I'm just not that knowledgeable, and I don't know what specifications make for a good ham radio microphone. All I can say is that this is a very bright microphone and has a lot of clarity, almost to a fault. I would actually say, yes, it has clarity to a fault, and it's built like an absolute tank. So this thing will stand up for years of abuse in your ham shack. But like I said, for any other application, I just wouldn't recommend it. And that is going to take us to the end of the show. Answer that question in the song. If you could only pick one Jim Carrey movie to watch, what would it be? Let me know in the comments. I don't know why. If you got any use out of this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. If you hated it, thumbs down. Want to influence what I review? geeksrising.com/podcasters. Go cast a vote there. Want more videos like this? There's a logo beneath me that you can click and subscribe to. I'll throw a Discord server. Link in the description. I'll see y'all next time. Thanks for watching. Bye. That was weird.